Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Hope you had a good weekend and got some rest, and we're ready to go. So, this video will help get us started this week. And first of all, happy Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. We're going to have something. So, let's talk about that first. On Google Classroom, on your stream, you can see this post. May the 4th be with you. If you click on that, here's some instructions. Be sure to read these. At 10 a.m. today, 10 o'clock, we're going to have a little class meeting with all of the science classes. And so you just click the link to join. It will bring you to this screen. You can turn on or off your mic, but if you read the directions, you should turn that off. And then it's up to you. You can choose if you want the camera on or off, and then join our meeting. And at 10 o'clock, we'll have some fun. We're going to try to do another little Quizlet, but it will just be a fun Star Wars activity. And then I'll show you around. You can kind of see some of it behind me, but I'll show you some of my Star Wars Lego collection. So, and then we'll have just some time to see if anyone else has anything to share. So that'll be cool, just for fun this morning to get us started this week. I usually do something in class on May 4th. I usually bring all of my Lego collection in to show everyone. But since we can't do that, I'll show you it here. We got it all set up in the house. So back to work. Hopefully we'll see you then at 10 o'clock today. As far as your assignments go this week, so right now there's only one thing posted. Again, these instructions right here, you should read. And then that will help you know what to do, as well as watching this video should get you started and all set. So the main thing this week is the Pear Deck review for the ecosystems unit. And that's because there will also be an ecosystems test this week. So the first few days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this is all you need to work on. You can split it up over the next few days. You could get it all done today, but I would recommend. So if you click on the link, it'll take you to this. Click how you're feeling, and just be honest. That'll let us know. And then start your slides. It'll make a copy for you. This will be your copy, and then just go through. Oops, if I can get this thing out of the way. Go through these slides. When the Pear Deck slides pop up like this, it's just to help you review. Ecosystems have two parts. What are they? If you're not sure, that means you need to go do something. Either read the science. What you might want to do is read the science journal, which is posted on Google Classroom. I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, just go through, click these. If you're not sure, that's something you might want to take a note of so you can look it up. Actually, it tells you on the next slides. So just work your way through this. When it says circle, when it says to do something, do it. Try things out. You can figure it out. There's things down here to click, and then just do what it says. Sorry, I'm about to sneeze, I think. This says, what is this called? If you don't remember, I think it was in the Brain Pop video, and it's also found some other places. So if you're not sure, go look it up. I'll give you a hint. It's a pyramid, and it has to do with energy. There you go. So yeah, this is it. There's 30 slides, so maybe you do 10 today, 10 tomorrow, 10 Wednesday. That might be a good idea. If you do it all in one day, then I would recommend before you take the test, which it says on here, it will be posted on Wednesday. So that's just to make sure you don't hustle and rush, but also that you can get it done early if you need to. When you are going to take the test, make sure if you did the Pear Deck review in one day, I would probably open it back up and kind of go through it again before I take the test, kind of a little last minute, cram study session. Those aren't great to do if that's all you did, but if you already did it and then you go back and through it just to kind of refresh everything before you take that test, that'll help you study up. So if you've been doing all the assignments, well and taking your time to think about what you're learning, and then you do this, you should be all set and ready to think and use what you've learned to help you do that test and see how much you have learned and what you can do with that information you've learned about. So Pear Deck first few days, Wednesday, I will add the test to this post. So just make sure to open it back up and you should see the test on here. It might be over here if it's like added as an assignment, but I'm thinking it'll end up down here since it already will have like create it. It doesn't have to make a copy for you. And then it says on Friday we'll have another little Google Class meet so that we can check out the brine shrimp one more time. And also there was that bottle question that I posed in an earlier one. We had the two bottles, and when we turned it over, the water didn't fall into the other one. We're gonna talk about that and answer that question for you. So I think that's it for this week. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm trying to think real quick before I end this. If there's anything else I need to tell you, I don't think so. So Star Wars Google Meet today. Pear Deck review for the next few days to prepare for our test and review all those things we've been learning about ecosystems. And then Thursday and Friday is when I would plan on taking the test, one of those days. You do want to get it all done in one day or it will not save the stuff for you. And then that's it. So this is worth, the Pear Deck review, getting it done is worth 20 points. And then obviously the test will be weighted heavier and worth a little bit more, but that's it. So hope to see you today at 10 o'clock for our Google meeting, and have a great week. Thank you guys.